going?
Enchanted Kingdom. There's a grocery store.
In Caltex for the stopover. Scarlett, hi. We're gonna buy food.
Me, Zoe, and Colleen.
What? 105 or 101?
Okay. Do you want to get one?
Yeah, it's drizzling.
Sure, guy, got these. There you go. You got.
Buy this.
Here.
Where are we going?
Once more.
Ako mababasa. Scarlett! Wow, that's a big fish. Okay na.
And your grand fishing tournament total is
20!
what a fight. That's getting up there in size. Wow, you won a nice prize. Well, don't give up.
Can I see?
Try to catch a bigger fish next time.
Thank you po.